Okay. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And by the way, I'm going to be on the IBD podcast on Wednesday. So I hope you'll check that out. They stream everywhere. Just IBD podcast, be there. Now, I want to look at Analog Devices. This is a stock that Jim Cramer covered. I think it was last week on his his off the charts deal on Tuesday. He had asked me for a stock that I really liked, and this is the one. Now, the reason I'm pointing this out now is I think this is at a really good entry point right here. I really like the way the stock broke out. Hey, wouldn't it have been nice if it just kept going? But unfortunately, stocks don't trade that way. But this is coming out of a really long, multi-year base, so to speak, with 190 as resistance. And so my thesis has been, if the stock breaks out above 190, the breakout will ultimately be real and we'll start to get another leg up. And that's exactly what we saw here. So now with a 3-day pullback, I don't really count this as a pullback day, but with a 3-day pullback on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then today a gap down and a test of the 50, and then a really, really strong close. I look at this as more confirmation that this breakout is going to work. So my suggestion for a trade would be to be buying the stock basically right now, and then you would put a stop. You'd put a stop. I'll go ahead and get this here. We'll make it red so there's no confusement. Put a stop like right under there, right under the 50-day moving average. That's a really tight stop, very, very low risk on an uptrending stock that has given you essentially a second bite at the apple. So anyway, that would be my trade here. If you are not a member of Stock Market Mentor, by the way, if you are a member, you already know about this. But if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, check it out. You get a free trial period. And if you like it, awesome, stick around. Most do. But if you don't, then you can leave. Some do. So it's your choice, but it's definitely not a choice that you can make if you don't check it out. So hope to see you there. And either way, I want you to have a evening.